Kabilang ang 710th Special Operations Combat Wing ng Philippine Air Force sa Combined Air Exercises Talon Vision sa mga sundalong Amerikano na dumating sa bansa. Ayon sa opisyal ng tagapagsalita ng Philippine Air Force, Lieutenant Colonel Miguel Ernesto Ocol, sila ay magpaparticipate sa mga U.S. Marine Corps at kanilang ibabahagi ang air components ng hukbong panghimpapawid ng Pilipinas.
Regular bilateral exercises po natin to with the United States. This is outside the yearly balikatan, but this is a combined exercises that we have with them. So bilateral to. And ang participation ng Philippine Air Force is nagko-cross training tayo sa kanila as identified yearly during the planning conferences, no? This could come up for example, sa Air Force is regular jump exercises with the US Forces sa kanilang air assets. So nagpa-participate diyan yung ating 710th Special Operations Wing. And then meron tayong mga live fire exercises with our counterparts with the United States Marine Corps, and combined na rin ito with our Philippine Navy and the Philippine Marine Corps. So we provide the air component to the exercises, and ang tawag dito, the air exercises is called Talon Vision. So I believe that's Talon Vision 10 for this year.
Si Lieutenant Colonel Miguel Ernesto Ocol, RH 911, Bing Formento ng DCRH Nationwide.